Hi people, welcome to Cooking with Vinelli. My name is Elizabeth. So today's tutorial is all about golden syrup. In the world of dessert making, golden syrup is an important ingredient. It's used in making cakes, ice creams, fudges, biscuits, sorbets, and even used to drizzle on pancakes and your waffles, and so much more. This recipe is very easy to make and requires just 3 ingredients. So without talking too much or wasting much time, let's start making our golden syrup. For this recipe, we'll need 1/3 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of water, that's just normal tap water, half cup of sugar, and 1 cup of boiling water. I start with pouring 1/3 cup of sugar into the saucepan. At this point, my saucepan is already heated. Then I'll add 1.5 tablespoon of water. It's just normal tap water. I pour the water on the sugar evenly and I'll allow it to cook on low heat. Please do not stir. Just let the sugar cook on its own. So when the sugar has cooked for some time, you start seeing golden yellow color. So at this point, I have started seeing golden yellow color, and I'll grab my spatula and stir so as to achieve an even coloration of the sugar. So when I've achieved the exact color I want, I'll go ahead to bring and pour the 1 cup of boiling water as this recipe requires. So please be very careful when pouring hot water into the heated sugar because it bubbles violently and can spill and cause burns on your skin. So I poured the boiling water bit by bit into the sugar and I had to stir this to avoid any strong, like I didn't want the sugar to be solid under the water, so I had to mix it properly before going to the next step. Then I added half cup of sugar into the mixture and I grabbed my spatula and had to stir again to make sure that it's clear. It has to be clear. So I keep stirring till it's clear. Then I have my quarter lemon ready. So I'll just squeeze the lemon juice into the boiling sugar. Yeah. So at this point, I'll just throw in my lemon inside because I need that lemon flavor. That's, taste of lemon and then flavor in my golden syrup. So I just stir to, mix the sugar and the lemon juice. Then I'll cover and keep cooking. I'll stir at intervals till my syrup becomes thick. So at this point, when your syrup becomes thick, you know that it's getting ready. So at this point, for me, I'm actually okay with the way my syrup is because I'll have to drizzle it over pancakes. I don't want to make it thicker. But if you want your syrup to be thicker, you keep cooking it to be thicker. So I keep stirring till it's all out. So you just allow it to cool for a while before, transferring it into your clean jar. So in a clean jar, I brought my cool golden syrup into my jar, and I took up the lemon slice. I took off every piece of lemon remains in my golden syrup. So I'll just pour the golden syrup right into my clean jar, and I'll allow it to sit on my countertop for like 2 to 3 hours, so it will actually become a little bit thick. So guys, golden syrup is ready. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click your subscribe button to get more notifications. I'll be teaching you how to make good recipes, tasty recipes, cakes, ice creams with golden syrup. So I just, at this point, I just want to show you how this golden syrup looks like. So I'll just pour it from the jar into a plate. You can see how it's drizzling and it's really clear. I can actually see the bottom of the plate from the fluid. So I'm still saying, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more updates on recipes we'll be making with this golden syrup and other recipes I'll bring to you on this channel. So stay tuned, and remember that my heart goes out to all of you, and don't forget to comment too, and don't forget to tell me that how you made this recipe and how it turned out. Bye, till next time.